Here we are today at one of our houses doing some maintenance work, and I'll show you what maintenance we have. This window was broken, so we're taking it off to replace the pane. And this was also damaged, so we'll have to put in a new panel here. Now we got the Mexican drug cartel driving through. And Lisa is over here doing her job.
Doing a job.
What is she doing? What she's doing is she's taking the old glass pane out of the window that was broken. She's going to get it cleaned out and prepped, and then we're going to cut plexiglass and put back in.
Yeah, see all of this? So I'm trying to salvage this, but I don't think I will be able to, the trim that goes around the window, because it looks like they actually put tons of glue in here. So I'm gonna try. If not, it's gonna look like this. Did you do a close-up so they can see it?
This is what that plastic, after it ages and gets brittle, eventually will look like.
So we'll show you what it looks like. And here we have Plexy. We're gonna put this. We brought this from home. This we're going to cut and put in here. So if they decide to throw a ball again and break the window, guess what? It'll bounce back and smack them in the head. Alright, and then we'll show you the next things.
Hello everyone, and we have an update on our siding and window repair. I've already got the siding patched back up. That was the easy part, by the way. So all I had to do was pull the old one down, get a new piece, cut it to size, slide it back in, put the screws in, and boom, done.
Won't match, but at least that's the only color they have for metal.
Now Lisa's got the tough part, the hard part.
Yeah, can you see the plexiglass in there? So now what I have to do is to keep the window again on the side. There's this big old long stick right here, which you guys need to use.
Right. Now that we got that on there, Lisa's going to secure the plexiglass in place, and then we're going to put the window tape on the back side of it. Not yet. But we put that on the back side of the window that goes up against the wall. Pop it in, put the screws in, and it should be good to go. Alright. Updates coming shortly. Hi everybody, we just finished. Figured we would show you the final product, and there we go. Ta-da! We're getting good at this, so it doesn't take as nearly as long as it did when we first started. Yep, there's the sexiest rehabber on the planet.